Hello, everybody, and today I'm going to be drawing one of my favorite dinosaurs, the Ankylosaurus. And I'm going to start right now. See, I can start with the head. Start with it. It's one of my favorite dinosaurs. It's just because how they evolved over the years. And compared to other dinosaurs, it's probably the coolest, most dinosaurs, or at least the herbivore dinosaurs, or the armored ones. I'm going to draw the back. I'm going to draw the club tail right now. I guess you can say the club tail was used to defend against the other dinosaurs and stuff, or at least the big ones like T-Rex and stuff. I can draw the club tail a lot longer. They used to swing their tails. And there was this one creature that had a convergent evolution that did the exact same thing. I guess it was a relative of the armadillo. But there's this armadillo that did the exact same thing with Ankylosaurus. Probably not successful, but it probably was just as cool as Ankylosaurus and stuff. Let's see. Restore their tape. Make sure I get in the camera shot. Control the tail. That tail doesn't look right. Draw the small details now, like the many spikes around the Ankylosaurus. I guess you can more like spines, armored spines, or something like that. Ankylosaurus had a lot of them. Probably had some on his tail as well. I keep redoing the tail because I forgot what it looks like a little bit. I know he had like a large like club tail. Looks probably like that. Yeah, that's the Ankylosaurus. Like, comment, and subscribe if you like my drawing. I would like to continue doing more of these drawing videos if if to get the views and stuff. Well, I'm doing this more as a hobby, so this views don't really matter. I think I'd rather just draw and show my drawings to people and stuff. I'd rather just do that rather than getting popular and not appreciating any of the any of the um and not appreciating any of the clout that I get. And that's the Ankylosaurus.